Welcome aboard, fellow enthusiasts, as we embark on another incredible video. Thank you for choosing our video on Krishna Byre Gowda. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Krishna Byre Gowda, born for April 1973, is an Indian politician from Karnataka. He is currently serving as Minister of Revenue in Government of Karnataka and as a member of Karnataka Legislative Assembly representing Byatarayanapura. In this section, we'll be exploring in Government of Karnataka. He served as the Minister of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Law and Parliamentary Affairs from 2018 to 2019 in the Cabinet of H.D. Kumaraswamy. He was the Minister of Agriculture in the Cabinet of Siddaramaiah from May 2013-2018. He is the member of the Legislative Assembly from the Byatarayanapura constituency since June 2008. He has served 5 times as an MLA of Karnataka State, twice from Vembil in Kolar district from 2003 to 2007, and thrice from the Byatarayanapura constituency in Bengaluru. Our focus now turns to early life, an important aspect of our discussion. Krishna Byre Gowda was born in Bangalore, Karnataka, to Celsius Byre Gowda and Savitrama. His father, Celsius Byre Gowda, was a senior legislator and cabinet minister of Karnataka State, having served as an MLA for 5 consecutive terms. He served as the Minister of Agriculture from 1996 to 1999 in the cabinet of the then Chief Minister of Karnataka Patel. Krishna Byre Gowda studied in Narsapura Government Primary School and then completed his SSLC in Satyasai School, Madanali. After completing his PU in National College Basavanagdi, he went on to graduate with a bachelor's degree in business management from Christ College, now known as Christ University in Bangalore, in 1994. He then graduated with a master's degree MA in International Affairs from the School of International Service at American University in Washington, District of Columbia in 1999. Before earning his MA degree, he was a project associate at the Ethiopian Embassy in Washington. He then worked as an agriculturalist at his family-owned farm in the Kolar district between 2000 and 2002. Brace yourself for an enlightening exploration of career as we dive into its profound implications. Krishna Byre Gowda worked as a project associate at Development Alternatives Inc. in Washington, D.C. As a project associate at DAI, Krishna Byre Gowda worked on several projects to do with development issues and ways to solve them. As we enter this new chapter, let's navigate the complexities of political career and unravel its multifaceted nature. He began his political career in 2003, when his father, an All India Progressive Janata Dal leader, Celsius Byre Gowda, passed away. In October 2003, Krishna Byre Gowda contested and won the by-election to fill his late father's Legislative Assembly seat from Vembil, Kolar district, to become one of the youngest members of the Karnataka legislature. In April 2004, Krishna Byre Gowda left the All India Progressive Janata Dal political party to join the Indian National Congress and won from Vembil, Karnataka Legislative Assembly seat. Krishna Byre Gowda became president of the Karnataka Pradesh Youth Congress Committee in November 2007. In 2008, Krishna Byre Gowda chose to compete for the urban Byatarayanapura constituency in Bangalore and won the election with 43% of the votes, defeating a Ravi of the Bharatiya Janata Party with a margin of 9,352 votes. Since then, Krishna Byre Gowda has focused on addressing problems unique to urban residents like bad roads, traffic congestion, drainage problems, and uncleared garbage. He has also undertaken various infrastructural development works in Byatarayanapura, like developing parks, playgrounds, open gyms, and welfare centers through the help of the residents. He has also taken up various initiatives like the construction of auditoriums, toilets, dining halls, and additional classrooms in Byatarayanapura government schools with assistance from Rov Trust. In an effort to provide affordable housing and title deeds, The construction of 666 houses were approved in Kavampunaga and around 450 houses were constructed with an approximate budget of 28 crores. Under his leadership, 2,200 Hakupatra titles were provided for beneficiaries in various areas of the Byatarayanapura constituency and 3,000 Hakupatras are in the process to be delivered. Krishna Byre Gowda was elected as a Minister of Agriculture in Chief Minister Siddaramaia's cabinet on 18 May 2013, at the very young age of 40. During this time he came up with various initiatives to promote the native grain millet and bring it back into people's diets. Krishna Byre Gowda believed that in a water-deficient state like Karnataka, this crop has a potential to go a long way as it just uses 25% of water to grow in comparison with rice. During his tenure, 20 millet mellas at various locations across Karnataka were organized and the first organic and millet international trade fair was organized, which attracted over 2 lakh visitors and generated businesses worth 110 crores. As the Minister of Agriculture, he is also known for connecting 157 agricultural markets through the online market system eMandi. The e-market concept has now been recognized by the centre and has led to 38% increase in farmers' income. Between 2013-18, 13 out of 16 lake rejuvenation projects were carried out. He introduced a debt waiver scheme in which debt worth 8,165 crores was waived off, benefiting nearly 2,227,506 farmers across the state. He also introduced Krishi Bhagya to provide farmers with farm ponds locally known as Krishi Hondas, not only to protect crops during severe droughts but also to ensure a good yield. This had resulted in over 20% higher yield in the crops and also protected the crops in the times of famine and drought. He also served as the Minister for Rural Development, Law and Parliament Affairs in the cabinet of H.D. Kumaraswamy between 2018 and 2019. Under his initiative, Jalamrutha program was initiated to construct 2 lakh public water harvesting structures along with rejuvenation of over 20,000 water bodies across Karnataka. Under his initiative, he also launched Swachham Vijayeth campaign towards segregation of waste across 1,000 gram panchayats in Karnataka. Krishna Byre Gowda served as the president of Karnataka Pradesh Youth Congress between 2007 and 2011. And as General Secretary of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee between 2012 and 2014. Get ready for a thought-provoking discussion as we delve into personal life and its impact on our understanding. Krishna Byre Gowda is married to Meenakshi Seshadri, an IT professional. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from my channel.